Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and creamy zucchini soup that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this creamy and delicious zucchini soup, these are the ingredients. I have here butter, vegetable oil, pink Himalaya salt, black pepper, chicken broth, of course the zucchinis, 1 bell pepper, garlic clove, onion, cilantro, sour cream. This is everything we need to prepare this creamy and delicious zucchini cream soup. So let's get started. I want to start with the veggies. The veggies, I have rinsed them really good through running water, and I'm going to start with the zucchini. Of course, the zucchini, I'm only going to remove the sides of the zucchini, and that's it. This delicious and creamy zucchini soup comes out amazing, and I am sure that once you try it, you are really going to continue making this creamy and delicious zucchini soup. Well, here I'm going to start cubing the zucchinis almost the same size so that everything cooks at the same time. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cube all the zucchinis. Once this is done, I'm going to transfer it to this plate, this big bowl, and I am going to continue with my onion, and I'm using a small onion. I'm going to use the whole onion. I'm just going to cube it like that. It doesn't have to be really nice and cut or diced. Just cube it. I'm using half of the green pepper, of the bell pepper, and I'm going to take the core out. Okay, this part is important, taking the core out and the seeds. I'm just going to go ahead, chop away just like that, and then I'm ready to put it in the bowl. Everything is going to go in the bowl. And here I have my garlic clove. I have a very large garlic clove. If you have little ones, use 2. I'm just going to go ahead and slice it and add it to the same bowl. And once this is done, look how this looks. You could see the onion, the zucchini, the bell pepper, the little pieces of the garlic. This smells already delicious. The aroma that it leaves, oh my God, amazing. And here I'm adding the vegetable oil, and I'm adding about 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once it's nice and hot, I'm going to go ahead and start adding the rest of the ingredients in here. Look at this. We're going to be stirring it every little while. You want to make sure that you stir it. Once it starts smelling and leaving that delicious and amazing aroma of the garlic, the onion, and the zucchinis, you're going to notice that the onion is going to get translucent and the zucchini starts getting a little, just barely a little brown. That's when you know that it's ready to remove. It's going to take about, I would say, 10 minutes in medium heat, because you really want to bring those flavors up, bring that aroma. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing with the zucchini. Let me show you. Once the onion is getting translucent and you could really smell all those amazing flavors, then turn off your stove. You're going to cook it for about 10 minutes, and then let's go to the working table and let's add all these ingredients into your blender. You could see that the onion is really translucent and the zucchinis are barely getting a little brown. Now is the time to transfer it into your blender. Make sure that you don't leave any onion or garlic behind. You want to make sure that you get everything out of this pan. Now that I have all the zucchini in here, I am going to continue by adding the chicken broth. Of course, you could have vegetable broth, you could add just regular water, but to my taste and here at home, they really love the chicken broth. So I added just enough chicken broth to blend everything. You don't want to add too much, okay? You could always add a little more towards the end. You want this creamy soup to be nice and thick. I'm adding my sour cream. Of course, I'm going to add my black pepper and some salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. So just make sure that you add a little bit of salt. And once it starts boiling and you start seeing it really nice, then you could taste it and see how it's going to come out. I'm adding about 10 black peppers, the salt, and then I am ready to show you from close up. Look at this. Look at the zucchini. I added just enough water to cover the zucchini. You could see the black pepper. And now I am ready to blend it completely. So let me go ahead, cover it, and let's blend it for just a couple minutes. After 4 minutes, the color is really green. And let me show you the texture. Look at this texture. Like I said, don't add too much liquid. You want to make sure that there is a little line. You create a little line on this amazing soup. Look at this. Okay, from here I'm going to go ahead and taste it to see if I need to add a little more salt. To my tasting, this is fine. Let's go to the stove. On the same pan, I'm adding some butter. I'm going to wait until the butter is nice and dissolved before I start adding all the amazing soup in here. You want to make sure that the butter has melted completely. And now I am ready to pour. We are going to cook this amazing soup for about 10 minutes in medium-low heat. You really want to bring up all those flavors, and of course, you want the soup to get nice and thick. That's why we are going to cook it in medium-low heat. Look at this. It's really smooth. It's nice and thick. The aroma that it's leaving behind, just amazing. Of course, you could garnish your soup with sour cream, with some croutons, or even bread. You decide. But let me show you how this looks. Once it starts boiling, just let it boil in medium-low heat for about 4 minutes, and then it is done. Even the color changes to a little darker green. Look at this. Look how amazing this looks. Okay, this is now done. I'm going to turn off the stove, and I am ready to prepare my plate with this amazing and creamy soup. Look at this. I am ready to pour some. I am ready to decorate with sour cream. And this just smells amazing. I can't wait to dig in and enjoy it. Nice and hot, and that's exactly how you want to enjoy this zucchini soup. Nice and hot. It's nice and cold here in California. And of course, I am going to decorate and make some beautiful hearts into this amazing and delicious creamy zucchini soup. Look at this. This looks amazing and it smells delicious. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy. Ready for the presentation. zucchini cream soup that I know you guys are going to love. Of course, you could add some croutons right on the top. And remember, decorate your amazing and delicious creamy soup with sour cream on the top. Add some croutons and you are ready to go. But this is the part I really love and enjoy. I am going to enjoy the soup with the hearts. You know how I am. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The flavor of this soup, it's so creamy, so delicious. The zucchini really is just amazing. You guys need to try it. You need to enjoy this amazing recipe from Cooking with Gloria. Of course, like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing, creamy zucchini soup. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.